Welcome to the course School Gardens for Future Citizens, the design of learning activities based on technology. My name is Sara Blanc. The course is structured into four modules. First, the garden has 5 videos to help you on gardening tasks. It introduces you some aspects related to the choice of crops for a school garden. It also offers a practical view of installing an irrigation system to ensure it is the most suitable for a correct distribution and efficient supply of water to your crops. The module considers different techniques to prepare and plant the soil, as well as instructions to plant different types of crops recommended to school gardens. Finally, the module introduces you in the management of compost in schools. The second module is dedicated to the design of learning activities. First, it presents some frameworks useful to define the transversal objectives or general skills we want students to acquire. The module introduces the basics on the roadmap to plan activities based on students' needs and the benefits we will get. Finally, it presents an experience of a primary and secondary school as a case study. The third module covers a general view on digital tools for education. You will get a general idea about education suites, immersive readers, response systems, and interactive videos editing tools. Finally, the last module is dedicated to an edge-cutting technology called Internet of Things, or IoT. You must consider this module of intermediate difficulty. Thus, to follow it and success, we recommend at least a basic level in programming. If you haven't such a level, don't worry. Use this module to get a general view of how technology could be implemented in an active way in your school gardens. Each module starts with a presentation detailing the themes and the module objectives. You will find several videos per module, and at the end of each video, you should complete a test to assess your understanding. The last module also contains 3 tutorials to help you on developing your own IoT system. The videos are presented by me, Sara Blanc, and my colleagues Daniela Gil and Barry Maguire. I belong to the Universidad Politécnica de Valencia, as well as my colleague Daniela Gil. Barry Martín belongs to Educación Franciscana de la Inmaculada in Spain. Moreover, the course has had the collaboration of the Agrupamiento de Escolas de Paredes in Portugal, the Technical University of Cluj-Napoca in Romania, the Porto University in Portugal, Fundación Cajamar de la Comunidad Valenciana in Spain, TV Agrosensors in Spain, the Smartno Primary School in Slovenia, and the Detectorate of Primary School of Preveza in Greece. This course is based on the work carried out in the project School Gardens for Future Citizens, funded by the European Commission in the Erasmus Plus program and the Spanish government through the Service for the Internationalization of the Education. However, this course reflects the views only of the authors, and the Commission cannot be held responsible for any use which may be made of the information contained therein. Thank you very much for choosing our course, and we hope it is of interest to you.